Hi, my name is Lungile Zamamkunu. I'm a third year foundation phase student, and this is my mathematics game under the module methodology 3B. So with the game, as it says that it's a counting in multiples, and at the bottom it says counting in tens but with a twist. So the reason why I chose this game is because um normally in classes in the morning before a maths class, the teacher would make learners to take out they files to start counting in tens, and or start counting in multiples of two, multiples of three, multiples of five, and so on and so forth. So with this game, what I want to achieve is that learners must be quick with their brains. They because with the multiples of tens, it's the normal procedure counting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So with this one, it will challenge the learners in a sense that they'll be counting in tens, but with a twist. And what I mean by with a twist is the game will be structured where learners will be playing musical chairs. They will be in groups. Groups will be taken, and they will play musical chairs. And while playing musical chairs, the numbers will appear. So as you can see here, it's 13, right? So I've made an example of 13, 23, and then there's also a blank. So whenever I will say the numbers 13, 23, and then I'll skip from 23 to 43. And when I skip from 23 to 43, and the learners must be seated, when they are seated, they must now say, okay, how did we get from 23 to 43? They must find the missing number, right? And from 43, there's also a number that is missing here. And with that, they'll have to find that number while they're also seated, and the person that is standing will be the person giving out the answers, because it will challenge them. It will make the whole lesson, actually, like, it will make it fun, and it will make everyone in the class participate. And I will also carry on because it starts here with 53, because from the previous one 53 was missing. So from 53, we move to 63, and then I will say 63, and they must all be seated, and then they must find the missing, because I will say for 63 and 83. So they must find the missing link, and while they're also seated, um, we will I will choose randomly, because with learners, some learners will be eager to want to participate with the game. Some learners will feel that they know the answers more, so they will be the ones shouting the answers. With the rules of this game is that if you do shout the answer, that means that you have to go home and write the multiples of 10, maybe up to, if I choose to say, maybe up to 300, and then they must come back in class and recite them. In that way, I can restore order. With a game of musical chairs, and it might seem like a very chaotic lesson. It might seem like um the learners will be out of order, but then he learners in the foundation phase, they learn through play. So if you first introduce a game by them being active and also at the same time using their minds and their brains, generating answers, counting in their heads, while at the same time focusing on the game, wanting to get a sit, wanting to get a chair, because it will be a thing of me challenging them. Whoever standing needs to say the answer. And if you're standing and you have to say the answer, you have to be quick. And the game, it won't be a game that is just introduced to grade threes like in the first term, because first term, that's where they're getting used to, okay, now we're going to a higher grade, we are going to um more things are getting a bit serious, so it will take them a bit of time to understand. So with the game, I might do different games like for each term. Say for the first term, I might just it won't be a game, they'll be just sitting down, they'll be saying their multiples. Second term, it'll be a thing of um the the wave, where one learner will stand up, say two, the next stands up, the other sits down, and like from maybe from the back to the front, or sometimes from the front to the back. And also with this type of games is that learners get challenged. Learners enjoy learning, learners enjoy counting, learners enjoy helping others, because if a certain learner now finds the answer and is getting excited and finds that the friend is not understanding, they are able to help the learner. And with that said, this is the game that I have chosen, and thank you very much.